Venn diagrams. Venn diagrams are used to represent the sets in picture form. Here in this Venn diagram, this rectangular region represents the universal set. Then these two overlapping circles named with the capital letter A and capital letter B represents the sets. And all the elements inside the sets is represented with small letters. Now we have to shade the Venn diagram with these 6 set operations. A union B, this symbol, this union, U stands for union. A intersection B, the inverted U symbol stands for intersection. And A intersection B, the whole dash means complement. A intersection B, complement. B minus A dash, that is B minus A complement. A complement, union, B complement. A complement, intersection, B complement. For all these 6 set operations, we have to shade the portion. Now let us see one by one how to shade these portions. The first set operation, A union B. That is, we have to shade both the A circle and B circle, the union of A and B. That is, the union of A and B is everything which is either in A or B or in both. So let us shade this A union B. That is full round, A round. And then you have to shade fully the B round also. This is A union B. The next set operation is A intersection B. The intersection means you know that is a common to both A and B. That is this overlapping area you have to shade. So A intersection B is this overlapping area. The third subdivision is A intersection B whole dash. A intersection B whole dash means you know that complement. So first we have to find A intersection B. That is, we have to shade A intersection B portion. Intersection means the common region for both the sets A and B. There, this overlapping area already I shaded. This is the A intersection B part. Now I have to shade A intersection B whole dash, that is A intersection B complement. The complement of A intersection B is nothing, that is you have to leave this overlapping area and shade the remaining portion including the universal set also. So now let us shade this A intersection B whole dash. So remove this A intersection B part and shade all the region including the universal set also. So this is the A intersection B whole dash part. So removing this overlapping area, that is intersection B part area, and shade all the region in the universal set. Now let us shade B minus A dash. So you know that the B minus A dash means complement. First we shade B minus A. B minus A means you have to shade only B, not A. That is, we have to remove the A round and shade the remaining portion. So I already shaded this remaining portion, that is only B. Here you should not shade the universal set because it is not the complement. It is only B minus A. Now let us shade B minus A the whole dash. The B minus A the whole dash, that is a complement of B minus A, means you have to shade all the region in the universal set but except this B minus A. So except this B minus A, we have to shade all the region in the universal set. So all the region in the universal set you have to shade except this B minus A. So except this B minus A, you shade all the portion. So this is the B minus A complement portion. A dash union B dash, that is A complement union B complement. Here first we have to shade A complement region. A complement region means we have to shade the universal set except this A round. So remove the A round and shade all the region in the universal set. So let us shade except this A round and all the region in the universal set. This is A complement. Now let us shade the B complement region. B complement, that is we have to shade all the region in the universal set except B. So you have to shade all the region in the universal set except B. Now let us go to the last part, A dash union B dash. So clearly from this symbol union, you have to join the diagram of A dash and B dash. See here in both the diagrams, this overlapping area is not shaded. So leave this overlapping area and shade all the region except this overlapping area. So A dash union B dash means all the region except this overlapping area, joining this A dash diagram and B dash diagram. Now let us discuss about A dash intersection B dash. A dash means remove the A round and shade all the region in the universal set. B dash means remove the B round and shade all the region in the universal set. Now let us shade A dash intersection B dash. Intersection means the common region for both the diagrams A dash and B dash. Here the common region is only this universal set because here A is not shaded, here A is shaded. Here B is shaded, here B is not shaded. So from these diagrams we came to know that we have to shade this universal part region leaving this A round and B round. So remove this A round and B round and we have to shade all the region in the universal set. So let us shade all the region in the universal set except this A round and B round. So this is the A dash intersection B dash part region.